Welcome dears to my channel. My name is Julia Fior and today I'm sharing you hairstyle tutorial video. I will show you how to do your straight hair looking in vintage way, you know. So actually this video about hairstyles which you can do on your straight hair because yeah, we all of us, I think, who in vintage way, I don't know, have knowledge that actually all the vintage hairstyles was created on the curly hair, and it was true because every night every girl in 40, 50, 30 was going to sleep with different roller sets, and but in our day we live in very fast world, yeah, and there are different situations when you can't curl your hair at night, setting at night. And actually there are a lot of options that you can use for straight hair and will anyway look gorgeous, vintage, and beautiful, of course. Because in a vintage style it's number one, I think, the hairstyle and your makeup, it's like number one. This one of the hairstyles that I created very fast. All these styles are very fast to create, super fast, and I didn't use any of hair sprays or something because I was making a lot of different hairstyles. So of course if you will add a hairspray under a little bit, make a shape, it will be look more like beautiful. So let's start. So the first hairstyle is lovely Victory Rolls, classic, but fast without any buff on. Actually you can do it with the buff on, with teasing. You can do a big volume and make more glamorous 50s style like rockabilly, but I prefer for everyday more simple little ones, like in 40s style more. I like separate my hair on the side, but you can do actually the middle part in two. I creating like one's more bigger, yeah, another one more little. Other hair you can just brush and let it go like this. Or you can do a bun without anything, just a little simple bun. Or you can do like more bigger bun with adding the special donut. It was a donut, friends. It was a donut which I cut, and I'm using it in different variations. So it's super fast and super beautiful, I think. by the way, third variant of the back part of your hair, it's just this tail, and I like to add some strips or something like that to make it more beautiful and sweet to my look. Another one hairstyle, I'm doing twisting. I'm twisting a hair, and I can use such special things. I have them. You can buy them too because they are super helpful. They can be in different colors. For my outfit, this one, black one, is matching good. So I fix in one. And second one, I'm showing that you can actually use the bobby pins, just cross them, and you will receive the same result actually. So up to you. And the last one, I'm using the same cutted donut to make some like, what is this? I don't know, mini bumper on the side, because when it's big it's looking good in the middle. When it's little, more cooler to do it on the side. And with other hairs, the same situation, I'm just brush them, or I'm doing a bun. And very good to add here some accessory like a barrette or something, because it will be like doing a volume from that part which you don't have volume. You understand me, I think. So yeah, I think this one is looking amazing. So dears, it was the last variant of hairstyles. Of course you can mix in like these parts with these parts in different ways. Every time you will create something new, something unusual. Don't forget to add in different accessories, like for example barrette, flowers, strips, bows. It will be a good accessory for your hairstyle and will complete your look amazing. So hope you enjoyed this video and we'll try these hairstyles. Please share in comments which one hairstyle you like more. Don't forget to follow, don't forget to like. Have an amazing day, friends. Bye.